Our 60-second van tour. We got Maximillian, Trillion, Billion, and Izzy the doggy. Let me run around this van really quick so you can see all the art.
The whole idea here is it's all about the love, and vanning ain't no joke.
Alright, show us around your van.
So this is it. She's an 88 GMC Vandera. She's got the suicide doors.
Oh dang.
Extra. It's my first car ever with digital on the dash.
Digital on a dash.
I got the Buddha from Reverend Aya Sudani in South Carolina. Trad rack. I keep some stuff here. Some stuff here. And yeah, it's super simple.
What do you call the van?
Her name's Darlene.
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 What's your favorite part and what's your least favorite part?
My favorite part is the white leather captain's chairs and how they're electric to move them around. And my least favorite part is the third try starts and stalling out all the time. Other than that, she's great.
Cool. We already got a Vanning Ain't No Joke shot, but let's get another one. Vanning Ain't No Joke.
Vanning ain't no joke, baby.